What's the plan?
Shocking on.
What if they don't move?
Now I'm going to win with us.
6 seconds.
That's plenty of time.
Holy shit, Captain.
Look at that set up, Baker.
What if they follow?
They won't.
Boss. What the hell are we doing?
We're cleaning up a mess.
With women and children.
They were leverage.
They were
You
hostages.
take the glass off, you get blood in your hands, Carl. That's how it works.
Where do we draw the line, Esther?
Number 9. End of the day, someone has to make the enemy scared of the dark. We get dirty, and the world stays clean. That's the mission. Now, if you have second thoughts, then I can do this on my own.
No, sir. No second thoughts.
Good. Let's get it in before he kills Barkov.
Al-Qatala search party.
Yeah, protect you.
They're still looking.
We're not too late. Let's get in here before he starts a third world war in Barkov's basement. Stay close.
It's quiet.
Means that he is already in control. Assume he is. If he's not, he will be. Barkov's place will be crawling with Al-Qatala. Best advantage we'll have is the dark. Stay hidden and only engage when you have to. If it is in Barkov's house, we need a chance to find him. Just fine. Let's go. That game's our entry point. Let's move. Thank you, Ed. Hold fire. Somebody. You got it all right. Move up a little. Stay in. We need to kill the power. Use the fuse box on the wall. Our exit is blocked. Kill the light and we'll distract them. Wait from the mouth. Okay, we're splitting up. Two on the right. Let's hit them first.
عندي شيء بلغ عنه راح ضل عم دور
Now let's take the others.
مين فيكم؟
All clear. Overlooks ahead. This is Jim's compound. Let's see what we're up against.
What we got, boss?
My house looks fine. Got movement in the clock tower, church, and pool. Rock down. I'll provide overwatch.
don't know what you're talking about! Shit!
Take him out. You clear? Careful, you're outnumbered, but you can try and disengage if things go loud. Boats to the south. Keep an eye out for a fuse box. Get on the lights and give us an advantage.
Sounds like Akutala's got a hostage.
See if the deer's there. I'll get that bark off. There's a skylight over the pool. You can use it to get to the prisoner. You can get the lights to the building if you use that fuse box.
رحت العم دبل
I've lost visual. You're on your own for now.
عندي شيء بلغ عنه رحت العم دبل As our children have blood, and your blood will carry our message to the
I have a
world.
visual on you.
Where is he?
No sign of the deer.
Tell me, where is he?
But I have a hostage.
Find out what the hostage knows. Any intel things to bark.
Let it kill me. Who are you?
You're my father. My father.
Poor bastard's done in.
We still have to check the church and clock tower. The deer could be there. Heads up. AQ's on patrol and they're technical. Keep your distance. Not much activity at Barkov's main house. You can bypass it for now. I know something's wrong.
سعيد خلصنا من رهينة بقى
On their way.
بدنا نمشي الأمور تعرف ما نعمل فيه؟
No visual. You're on your own there, mate.
الساعة يتم معنا مين هون؟
Keep low. We'll be on the spot.
لمبة شو القصة؟
open up the Hornet's Nest car. They'll be after you now. Clock tower ahead. Search by the clock tower for the crosser.
هو اطلب من المساجين شيء.
Piece of shit.
Still no visual on the Dion. It's another hostage.
See if they can still talk.
I won't betray my family. Shit, Captain. The hostages are Barkov's family.
Barkov's men came into Andia's house, and now he's in theirs. Get to the church now. They have hostages.
Please! I don't want to die here!
You're gonna try to behind you.
Johan.
Stay low. You'll be less visible.
ما شفت قتل ولا عميل. بس في شيء غلط.
لازم نتحرك! هي!
Nice one. Church is to the south. Good night. He's in the church. So like no longer. Let's have the security. 18 patrols are headed your way for the main house.
You cannot keep track. Where is that?
Go kill.
Yeah!
Nice job.
I can do this all night.
I've lost visual on you. Stay frozen.
All you have to do is tell me where backup is. I want the location. Give me the location.
Find out if the hostage gave up Barkov.
Third floor, 451. Third floor.
They broke out. He's saying third floor, 451.
That's all we got to go on. Get to the top floor of the estate. We'll meet you there.
Third floor, 451.
شو عم يصير هناك؟
واني شو عم يصير؟
هون كل شيء تمام. كمل دوري.
Place is a very football ground. Get to the third floor